Mommy, I'm sick. I can't go to school.
Stop lying. You're going to school.
But Mom!
No buts. What's the real reason?
Okay, my teacher, Mr. James, is being mean to me again.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He'll be in shock after you tell him this. The next day. Hey, why are you on your phone?
Because the lesson is so boring.
Okay, while you're on there, tell your mom I'll pick her up at 5 tonight.
Dang, Teach, we both picking up our girls at 5 tonight.
Who's your girl?
Your daughter.